Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment so the emulator can use your host network. First, make sure Android Studio and the Android emulator are updated. This prevents driver mismatches. Once done, enable the appropriate hypervisor, Intel Haxum or Windows Hypervisor, and start the AVD. This gives the VM access to networking. Also, verify your host machine's Wi-Fi is active and online. The emulator routes through the host, so a working host connection is required for success. Next, configure the emulator's networking so apps can reach the internet. Open the AVD's advanced settings and ensure network is not restricted. Perform a cold boot to apply changes. By default, NAT works because the emulator shares the host interface. However, if you need host-level IP visibility, configure a bridged adapter through your virtualization layer. Note this requires extra host tools. Then test connectivity by pinging 8 or loading a URL in a simple web view to confirm DNS and routing are functional. To finish, restart the emulator and Android Studio so network settings take effect. This resolves many transient issues. Use a DB commands for detailed checks. Run a DB shell ping to test reachability, a DB reverse, or a DB connect to forward ports for local servers, and inspect /etc/resolve. Conf if DNS looks wrong. If you still see no internet, make sure host firewall or VPN isn't blocking the emulator. Then reset the AVD's network or recreate the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.